To start things off, this video is made purely for educational purposes. Everything showcased is available at risxntweaks.com or discord.gg/risxn. Links to both of these are in the description. We have thousands of customer reviews proving we're legit and have been in the scene for a very long time. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the showcase. You mean for number 4 God?
That's what YC is.
200.
Tune up. Get the fuck out, nigga.
Kill him, bitch.
Who's shooting me down?
Bro, I got 190.
Open when I'm playing Fortnite.
What is that? I don't even really play that much.
What the? Okay, I guess you're not cheating.
Oh, Chroma's in waiting for the thing. Can I drag it?
Yeah.
You're cheating, man, Ninja.